I'm very much big fan of Honor 50 series because they have done something amazing thing. Talking about the both the processor, they are coming with 900 Dimensity and 778G. Talking about these two processors are similar. So if the consumer want to buy the phone, they have not too much think about it that which phone they will go. They can go any phone which they like because the processor specs are similar and we cannot tell it who is the winner exactly.
Talking about the processor Snapdragon 778G, it was announced at May 19, 2021, while Dimensity 900 was announced at May 30, 2021. So both are near to the launches, and both we can see are no one is new or no one is old. Talking about the CPU in Snapdragon 778G, you will get one core of 670 prime, which is of A78, and the speed is 2.4 GHz, which is based on high performance. The second is 3 core, which is of 670 gold, and it is of A78, and the speed is 2.2 GHz, which is of low performance. And for efficiency, you will get 4 core, which is of 670 silver, and the speed is 1.9 gigahertz, and it is based on A55. You will get two codecs of A78, which is based on 2.4 gigahertz. It is for high performance, and six cores which are based on A55, and the speed is 2.0 gigahertz, which are for efficiency in Dimensity 900. So talking about both the processors side by side in CPU thing, you'll get efficiency wise Dimensity 900 is better, but talking about the performance side, the Snapdragon is winning over that. Talking about the both the processor frequency, CPU frequency, it is similar, which is only 2.400 megahertz, and fabrication is also the same thing, which is of 6 nanometer. Both are based on 6 nanometer. Talking about the both the GPUs, both GPUs are powerful, and starting with the Snapdragon 778, you will get Adreno 642L, and in Dimensity 900 you will get Mali T68MC4. Talking about both the GPUs, Adreno is little bit powerful because they have high performance and low performance core, while in Dimensity you will get only two core, which is of high performance. So thinking wise, that way GPU is better of Adreno. Talking about the memory department, all the specs of memory is same. Starting off with the type, you will get LPDDR5, and the frequency of memory is also same, which is 3200 megahertz, and size is max up to 16 GB. Talking about the NPU in Snapdragon 778G, you will get Hexagon 770, while in Dimensity 900 they haven't mentioned which NPU they are coming with. Talking about the storage type in both the processor, you will get UFS 3.1 and 3.0 in 778G, while in 900 there is only one variant, which is UFS 3.1. Talking about the display resolution, you will get 4K in 778G, while in 900 you will get full HD plus display. Talking about the camera, you will get single camera of 192 megapixels and dual camera of 22 megapixel in Snapdragon 778G, while in Dimensity 900 you will get one camera of 108 megapixel and dual camera of 20 megapixel. So overall in display and in camera, 778G is better. Talking about the video playback and video capturing, you'll get 4K at 30 fps both the side in both the processors. Talking about the modem in Snapdragon 778G, you'll get X53 modem, which is a 5G, and the downloading speed over here is 3.3 gigahertz, and uploading speed is 1.2 gigahertz. Talking about the MediaTek Dimensity 900, you'll get integrated 5G sub 6H modem, and the downloading speed is 2.77 gigahertz, and uploading speed is 1.2 gigahertz. Talking about the single core In Snapdragon 778G, the score is 776. In Dimensity 900, the score is 725. So Snapdragon is better as compared to Dimensity. In multi-core, also Snapdragon is better than Dimensity. The score of 778G is 2816, while in Dimensity it is 2128. And overall score of both the processor is in 778G. The score is not announced, but in 900 the score is more than 4 lakh. In 778G, there might be chances that it may touch more than 5 lakh. So let us see. So this was all about both the processor. I think the winner is 778G. But in performance wise and the price which 900 is coming, it is also a better processor. 778G will little expensive as compared to 900, and both are the competitive of each other. So this was all about.
This was the whole scenario of 900 versus 778. Both has the 5G specs. So what is your favorite? Just tell me in the comments. Like, share and subscribe our video and bell notification to all so never miss any other update. And this was the comparison video. Hopefully you like it.